Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, April 3rd of 2019. And for today, for our morning announcements, we have a couple of birthdays to announce. So Maro and Emma, happy birthday to you. Hope you have a wonderful day today. And today for our lunch choices, we have chicken fajita bowl, cheeseburger, or Italian sub. For pause today, we have our third grade students who are going to go over some things about pause.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause. We do have some students here from third grade to kind of go over some things to be respectful with certain areas, especially with playground and cafeteria.
Respect the equipment. Make sure you're not disrespectful. Be kind to other people and their things. Be respectful in the lunchroom and don't play for food or yell.
Thank you, guys. Those are some very good suggestions. Much appreciated. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everybody have a great day today. Remember, make some great choices. They are yours, so make sure you make some good ones. Have a wonderful day.